Hello Janta, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we will talk about like tuples. Okay, what is tuple basically? So it is a array like structure where each element represents some property of a record. Okay, so what does it mean actually? So we will quickly look into an example and try to understand what is tuple and how like it is different from array. Actually in tuples like each and every element is like representing some kind of property actually. So I am quickly taking this example. So basically I am creating one object just to make you understand. Okay, and give you a like clear understanding about tuple. I am creating one object, and in this object I am defining some properties. Okay, so I took an object named drink. Okay, so what type of color actually this drink? So I am defining a type. Okay, is it a carbonated? True. Okay, and sugar quantity. So 20. Let's see. Okay, so this object is basically like a drink. Okay, and there are different properties in this, like what type of color this drink have. Is it carbonated, like sugar quantity? Okay, so let's take or like let's convert this object into a tuple actually. How we can take this into a tuple actually? So let's quickly look into that example. Okay, so now I am creating one tuple actually. Okay, so basically it is array like structure. Okay, in this I am defining all the properties. Okay, so brown, true, and 20. Okay, so I kind of represent this object into a tuple form actually. So what this now if we hover over this tuple, so basically it is expecting, actually it converts, basically this is an array. Okay, so type script I mean guesses the property of this tuple variable, and this tuple exactly contain a string, number, and boolean items in particular array. Okay, so this tuple is actually this variable. I mean, TypeScript is considering this tuple as an array. Okay, consists of a string, number, and boolean. So now we have to convert this array into a tuple actually. So there is we there like we need to do type notation here. Okay, so now to convert this into a tuple actually, we need to give a sequence. Okay, sequence, and the type of properties each element I mean like represent. Okay, so this is basically color type. Okay, this represent color, this represent carbonated, this represent sugar quantity. Okay, so now what I am doing is I am giving a sequence, and I am giving or declaring a type here. So first one is a string. Okay, second one is boolean, third one is number, right? So this is basically a syntax of tuple actually. Now if I want to change the sequence at like zeroth position, I want to put the sugar quantity. So I can't do that actually. TypeScript clearly giving me an error that type number is not assignable to type string. So basically what we did here is like we defined the sequence. Okay, we need this sequence so that the developer don't wants to remember actually. So basically this is a syntax of tuple. We are defining the sequence here. It is a array like structure where each element represents some property of a record. So each and every element is representing some property. So we can't do that actually. TypeScript is not allowing us to do that. Okay, So basically this is tuple, and in this we will cover about like aliases also. I will give you a little I mean like little example of alias, type alias. Okay, we will cover deep dive into type alias in later videos as well. Okay, so I am defining one type actually. This is of drink type. Okay, and what I am doing is I am defining the type actually, boolean number. Okay, this is the type I defined. Okay, now I can use it multiple places actually. Suppose I am not writing this as a tuple, I create a variable sprite. Okay, this is basically a drink. Okay, and I am assigning this type here. This is of this drink type. uh, Basically this I am creating a tuple only, but I created a type so that I don't want to write this whole thing again and again. That is why I give you an example of type here. Okay, type aliases. So this way like I can create one more drink and assign this drink to this uh, like green. Okay, true, and some other sugar quantity level. So this way I can write tuple. Okay, and I can uh, like do the things. Okay, so basically in this video we cover about tuples, and stay tuned with the channel so that you never miss any update. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Bye.